Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete location history on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete location history on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us over here at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right, and this kind of interface will appear, and you can see the option where it says your timeline over here just below your profile. Tap on your timeline and you'll be landed on this interface, where on this interface again will be required to tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the location and privacy settings over here just below about timeline, and you land on this interface. And if you scroll down, you can see here it says the delete all location history option available for us. Tap on the delete all location history and tap on the box where it says I understand and want to delete after reading this information, and then tap on delete over here at the bottom right corner of this box, and then your location history on Google Maps will be deleted. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete location history on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.